Hi guys, and welcome to Road to Forex. As always, my name is Alex and I'm appreciative that you guys are here with me today. Now I want to talk about a common misconception that we're really taught straight out the doors as soon as you enter the market, because it's killing your profits and it's making you way more vulnerable to long-term losses. And this is stick to one market, learn that, master it, and then go on to another market, learn that and master it. Or even worse, stick to one market and that's what you have to do. See, this is designed to make sure that you buy multiple courses. How many of you have seen Forex 101, Futures 101, Crypto 101? How many of you have seen those courses by one individual person goes, oh, yep, crypto is completely different to futures and Forex. You've got to buy my course and look at this and make sure. See, the truth of the matter is that the underlying guiding principles of the market are all the same. See, price action traders don't hop onto a crypto market and go, oh, better change everything that I know. An order block and an FVG within Forex is an order block and an FVG within crypto. An SMC trader who's maybe looking supply and demand or support and resistance, they don't go from futures to Forex and go, hey, this is completely different. I'm just not going to even attempt this. Of course they do. It's the same thing. What you'll find is if you've actually got a strategy that works on the Forex markets, it most likely will work on the futures markets as well. And that future strategy that you have could actually work on crypto. See, one of my strategies works across all three. In fact, it works on gold and silver, on Forex pairs, and it also works on crypto. Now, why is this? Am I doing anything special? Am I any different? Am I saying that I've got this holy grail? No, I'm not. I'm saying that your strategy's out there. In fact, most people's strategies will have some degree of crossover. So it might work on Solana and Ethereum, it might work on USD pairs, and it might work on gold. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it only works on a few Forex pairs and mostly crypto. But what you should do is basically diversify. Now why? Why should you be doing this? Just because it works and there is crossover, why would you be doing it? Well, number one, you do want that diversity because that equals safety. For example, the 2008 global financial crisis. When that happened, the Forex markets took such a massive hit that a lot of the major prop firms just disappeared off the face of the earth. Now imagine if that was you and you just stuck with crypto, or Forex I should say, nothing else, and that comes through and it hits you. See, someone that's diversified, maybe crypto wouldn't get hit as hard, maybe it still would, who knows, but let's just say in this circumstance it doesn't, right? Doesn't get hit. So you're sitting there and you're going, yeah, it's okay. An even better example is when that did happen, did gold prices rise? Because it's a hedge against inflation. So if you're trading on gold or you're investing in gold or whatever it is, maybe you could still be trading over there because you could have accounts that are just linked to gold for a futures account. You could have all your Forex accounts with Forex prop firms, and you could have your crypto accounts with crypto prop firms. So not only are you able to diversify across multiple markets in case one gets hit, you also have two other massive benefits. One, you're able to scale your accounts much faster. For example, a lot of prop firms over here within the Forex markets, well, they'll limit you to 3, 4, 5 accounts, whatever it is. And then you have to go to a different prop firm, which is great at diversification, but you can take it a step further. Now, instead of having 3 prop firms in Forex, all with 3 accounts, still, in case Forex does get hit, you're still vulnerable. You could be in having 5 accounts with crypto, 2 accounts with futures prop firms, and then you could be having a look at it and going, wow, I've got so many accounts. Of what this does is with the exact same strategy, perhaps, maybe 2 different strategies, who knows? You could be sitting there and growing your accounts a lot quicker because you're not doing any extra work. Remember, it's the same strategy. It's the same strategy, right? So you could be trading across all of these, doing the exact same thing with the exact same strategy, putting no extra work on, but able to scale your accounts up. That way will get you to $1 million a lot faster, let's face it. And then there's the third benefit, which is the number of trades that you can take. So opportunity increases to the upside. It says two things. It allows you to enter more trades. More trades could potentially, not always, lead to more money. But it also allows you to be picky. No longer can beggars not be choosers. You will no longer be a beggar because you'll have so many opportunities across the market. If Bitcoin's not looking that good, crypto's not looking too hot, maybe it's tanking or whatever, and your strategy's better in bullish markets, go on to gold. Go on to Euro USD, whatever it is, and vice versa. Now with a greater amount of opportunity, you can actually refine your strategy even more, taking less trades, but increasing that win rate because you've got a greater opportunity. Maybe, and that's just one way to take it. You could take all of them if you wanted to, or take my advice. Who knows? But all of these reasons are why you should be diversifying across all of the markets, or two of the markets, however you want to take it. I'm across all three, and it's working really well for me. I teach people to do this. I'm in the position that I am. I currently trade with over $1 million in the market, and, well, you can either take my advice for it, or you can leave it. That's really it. You guys know that I don't BS, so it's up to you. Again, if you're learning on one market, sure, stick to Forex until you've mastered your strategy. You don't have to do that, but at the same time, if you want more opportunity, you want to be that picky chooser, who cares if you're learning on Forex and crypto? It doesn't matter. It's the same strategy, right? You can do that and advance yourself as a trader. Anyway, guys, that is it from me. If you want to work with me, roadtoforex.com, or of course, join my Patreon, where I've got loads more insights and incredible videos just like this. Anyway, guys, if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment because it really helps me in the algorithm, I would love that. Until then, guys, I will speak to you later. You have a good one. See you in the next one.